Hello guys, you're welcome to the Crypto Link channel today, and I'm going to show you how to create a wallet using the Terra extension, the Terra Chrome extension. All right, so it is quite easy to create a wallet. If you've done wallet creation before on MetaMask, then you should be able to create wallet on Terra. Okay, so here is it. Go to the website, which is a terra.money. Then it loads this page for you. Then click on learn. Okay, when you click on learn, then you click on Chrome extension. Okay, so guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This channel is focused on what you can do to make money for yourself in the crypto space and how to go about it, in the simplest possible way. So I upload video week in, week out, and every day. There is new content on the channel. Subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification button, like this video, comment, ask questions about this video in the comment box. Okay, so once you're done with that, just come here. All right, then add to Chrome extension. Okay, so click on Chrome. So the wallet already have over 500,000 users right now, and it is growing. Then they have tons of other reviews, about 67 reviews so far, and that is over 4.5 rating so far. So that is safe to use, I think. So click on this to add to Chrome, then add extension to your Chrome browser. So we're almost done with that. Then it says Terra Station Wallet has been added to your Chrome. Use the extension by clicking on this icon. Okay. So manage your extension by okay. That is not our issue right now. So let me click on this to open the extension so that we can create a new wallet. Okay. So I'm gonna come here. New wallet is what you have to click on. So when you click on new wallet, you come here and okay, let me say. So just type in the number the so type in the name that you want here. Let me see my subscribers. What's the how many of you guys you have here? That's 644. My subscribers says 44. Then okay, so if you like, you can make it your password. I don't advise you guys to do this because I'm doing this because it is just a public video. If it were to be my personal private wallet, I'm not going to use this, all right? So then copy it and paste it. Then this, I will advise that you copy this one safely, okay, on a notebook that you can have access to at any time. All right. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to bring up my smartphone, then take the picture of this. All right. Then I'll click on this. I've written down my mnemonic. So normally you're supposed to write this down. Please and please don't take the picture of this and keep on your phone. That is dangerous for your wallet. So I'll click on submit. When I click on submit, it's asking me a question like, what is the 11th word? So let me check this again from my phone. 11th word, what is it? Okay, 15th and 11th word. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That is banner. Okay, banner is 11th word. 12, 13, 14, 15. Then loud. Loud is the 15th word, sorry. Then banner is the 11th word. So I'm going to click on okay, submit. So once we are done with that, then we've been able to create a wallet successfully. All right. So I'm going to come here and click on connect. Then by clicking on connect, I think I've been able to create a wallet as far as this process is concerned. All right. So I can use this address to receive any token that is compatible with Luna from any exchange. Okay. It could be UST, Luna, and some other tokens that are created on this blockchain. So this is how to create wallets, using the Luna Chrome extension. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification button, like, comment down below, and ask me any question if there is anything that you have finding difficult as far as this tutorial is concerned. Okay, so I will not see you guys in the next video because I want to show you how to stake loop token on loop.market for an insane return on investment. Okay, so see you guys in that tutorial. Bye for now.